Today I will introduce to everyone the A-grade thin material deluxe edition. This is one of our flagship models, indeed one of our flagship models. The materials and craftsmanship, as well as the intelligent design, are of a very high standard. The integration effect is also excellent. It fits full size, not just 16 inches. Our fitting case is approximately 17 inches, but we label it as 16 inches. Inside there is a fitting space of 17 inches, so it's quite large. Basically, we can fit almost all the tablets currently available on the market. We can fit them all. Whether it's Huawei or Xiaomi, their newly released tablets can all be fitted with our machine. Then we also have a 16-inch storage compartment here. Let's take a look. Opening this door is very convenient. Inside there's a 16-inch storage compartment. We've also implemented many safety measures. If the door isn't closed, it won't start. It won't start until you close the door properly. Only then can we start it. This is our storage machine and it's very safe. Now let's take a look at our system. Our system features touch control for pressure adjustment on the storage machine. Why did we implement touch control for pressure adjustment? In the past, with traditional storage, it was very troublesome to adjust by turning, wasn't it? With our system, adjusting the pressure is very convenient. For example, if I want to store things neatly and don't want the camera to get damaged, what should I do? We can adjust it to 0.4 pressure for storage. If I want to store things faster, is that possible? Then I can adjust it to 0.6 or 0.7 pressure. That's all possible. This includes the time and temperature, which we can set individually. It's very convenient. In our system, the vacuum bonding temperature and vacuum time can all be adjusted by ourselves. Then, we also have a real-time pressure monitoring system. This means that after I adjust the pressure, if I press down, will the pressure be too high or too low, right? So we have a real-time pressure and a monitoring here, just like a third-party monitoring, to see whether your pressure is accurate or not. This is our real-time pressure monitoring. Now let's take a look at the entire row below here, which shows all the commonly used pressures. All the commonly used pressures have been preset for you at the factory, specifically for applying OCA adhesive. As for the OCA adhesive, we use molds or micro reduction pads to apply it to the screen. This is for applying to the Shendian screen, which is a flexible screen, and this is for our flat screens, like the iPad. All the pressures have been preset for you at the factory, so you don't need to adjust them. Whatever method you use, just refer to our bonding guide to see how to apply each screen and what pressure to use. We've set everything up for you, so you can use it directly. Then there's the tutorial library, which you can access directly by scanning the QR code. Language switching is available with multiple languages included, covering installation and how to set up the machine, all of which is included here, including the manual. For pressure maintenance, you can time it, right? You can apply pressure to the bracket, test the air tightness, and even maintain pressure for the entire machine. Additionally, it comes with several physical buttons which are very comfortable to press. This button here. So where is our intelligent system? If your air compressor is not turned on, your valve is not open, or your air compressor is not on, our machine system will alert you. This includes our vacuum pump. If your vacuum pump is not on, or the vacuum is not properly drawn, or if our door is not closed properly and something is stuck, our system will notify you. Let's demonstrate for everyone. You can press a button at random and we'll see what happens if the door is not closed.